Okay. Welcome muli po sa Bito for the another basketball night action para po sa AFL Aviation Friendly League. Dapat sa Flying League po. Fixing the teams up. First game for tonight is, of course, ang CAS. Clad in golden brown yan. Parang Kentucky Fried Chicken or golden brown po yan. And also, of course, dito lang po tayo is yung QR Towers. Yung clad po yan is a mint green, white, and green combination po yan. Welcome. Good evening, folks po. Welcome po sa other basketball night action between Qatar, QR Towers, and of course, CAS po. CAS or Qatar Aviation Services. Ito po yan. Okay, that's the opening buzz already, but still think both teams na po, kulang pa pong players. Apat pa lang po ang QR Towers. Ang kabila lang po is Burley, lima po sila. Ito po yan po. This is your Aviation Friendly Doubles of Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors: Trey Danilos and Team LBC, Hara ng Padala. And of course, part of by SBB Pilipinas Sport and also PSBQ Basketball League. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. And of course, first game for tonight is CAS versus QR Towers. After this po is Los Hermanos versus Extreme Bowlers. Yan. First game po tayo nyo tonight po. Ito po ngayon, maglalaban-laban na po. And about to wait now for the opening whistle. Okay, entitled po tayo mga boss, mga madam. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. And also, we're just waiting now. I think sa kabila po, nagbibisa po iba bago pa magsimula rito. Tama, 5 na sila. May isang may nakita ako eh. Okay, simulan po tayo. Ni-cancel po tayo ng nagbibis pa lang po both teams. We're about to start right now. Okay, Ray Cream is watching. Joanna Salg is watching also. Good evening, ma'am. Okay, may pamalit na po. Okay, we're about to start right now. The opening whistles in. Magsisimula po tayo. Okay, si Ray Cream is already watching also. Okay, Joanna Selga Rocamora is watching also. Yes. We're just waiting now for the opening whistle to start the game. Okay, 5 rin po pala ang QR Towers. We're just waiting to start the game already. Target to eh. Okay, tayo po tayo. Then the opening whistle will start. Oh, anong liga naman? Oh, ayos ah. Basketball, volleyball. Ah, kaya pala may ganon. Okay, kaya pala. PIS? Wala ba silang facility sa kanila?
Parang
open court yata yun.
Pero mga bata, dati lang. Apat na game kayo kanina basketball eh.
Mga bata, mga midget.
Oh,
High school.
Mas ano yun, kasi depress mo ko.
Maliliksik. Okay, opening whistle right now. First quarter action, QR Towers and Of course, Cass. Okay, Cass po wearing stipple golden brown uniforms. Sa Curtas po is yung mint green and white combination nila. Okay, we'll start right now. We're just waiting for the people to come in the central court for the jump ball. Oh, may pamalit na rin sila. Okay, first quarter action about to start. Wala. Okay, first quarter action. Opening jump. About to start right now. First quarter action. Si Cero Cromora, si Yuan, number 13, yan po si Tan, si number 2 at si number 9. Sa kabila naman, si number 27, si number 27 din. At iba pa, 12, number 12. Okay, nakuha po na first quarter. Okay, possession na went to QR Towers. Hoop shot by number 27. No foul committed. One more time, nakuha ni Tan. Held ball situation. Held ball situation kagad ni Tan. And, okay, Cass po, bigay po sa Cass. Sa Cass po, sa Cass ng bola, sa Cass. Held ball situation, Curtas po nauna, then Cass. Okay, let's go. Okay, number 2 for the inbound ng Cass. Cass, number 2 inbound to Tan. Tan, may tangan ng bola, Tan. Number 9, 7, thinking 2, no. Lost the ball, white ball. Lost the ball, white ball. Number 7 has the ball. 27 din. Mateo pops up. No good. And kick pass to Yuan for 2. Yes, sir. 2 points, Yuan. 2 points. 27A. Being grounded by Rocomora. Now, pass to Mateo. Pops up. No good. Number 27, put back. Yes, sirree. Put back. It's good. 2-all. 8 minutes, 42 remaining. I think both teams should go for pacing muna. Daw wala sila ganong pamalit. Number 8 again. No good. 27, rebound. Nice one. Nice opening na po. Pero pinalilabas. One more time. To number 27 again. Kick pass to 27. Thinking 3. Wag muna raw. Driving in si number 6. 2 points. Number 6. Okay. QR Tower stays at the lead already. 2-4. 4-2. Number 7. Set shot. No good. Again now. On dalan muli po ang QR Towers. QR Towers. Mateo for 3. No good. Put back. 2 points again. Okay, 5-6 to already. Lamang po ng 4 na po ang QR Towers. Wala pa po si Darko. Naka-duty at si Darko. Yuan driving in. Yuan slicing. No good. And 27 going, no good. One more time, put back. Oops, si Daisy, offensive foul committed. Offensive foul. Offensive foul po tayo. Now si number 7. Number 2, may tangan ng bola. Number 9. Driving. Nakuha ni Tan muli. Nice trailing jab by Tan. Tan nalusot. Power move. Palpal. Nice block. And Mateo again. Mateo! No good. One more time. Put back. Wala pa rin. One more time. Malakas. And 27. Pops up. No good. Tan for the rebound. Rebound by Tan. Tan on the drive. 23 Tan. Pops up. No good. 27. Nako ni Roy. Nope. Almost had it. Number 6 to 27. Again, number 27. Number 7 lost the ball. Balik muli po sa Cas ang bola. The score 6-2 at 6:16 remaining of the first quarter action. Si Tan. Tan may tayo na ball. Tan, shake and pick, move. 2 points. Tan, 2 points. 4-6. Laman pa rin po ng Pure Tires po ng dalawa. And now number 6. Velasco. To 27. Number 12. Power move. Pops up. No good. Okay, na ako number 2. Number 2. No, check. It's ball. Check ball now. Si Rocomora. And to Tan. Tan driving in. No, intercepted by Velasco. Still completed. Mateo rather than this is Velasco. Velasco's driving in. Velasco, side step move, kinaliwa. Hindi pumasok. Buhay pa ng bola. Velasco, sidukot sa ilalim, pasok. Napaganda pa. 5 minutes, 51 remaining. Antayin nyo na po yung pamalit nyo po. U1. Oy, teka lang po. Traveling violation called on U1. And okay. Second 5 po. Calling now second starters. Second starters po nila. Okay, papasok po si number 16, number 15, number 3. Retain yata si Tan. Okay, sa kabila lang po, ang papalitan lang po si Mateo, ang papalitan. Timeout called by Pure Towers. Kinakalaan nilang mag-pacing po muna ngayon mga kababayan ko. Dahil kasi ang nangyari po dyan, wala po sila ganong pamalit. Both teams po. Wala po silang ganong pamalit. Kaya maganda tumayo na rin po ako para mas maganda yung vantage point natin. Maraming salamat po. Kaya medyo maugoy po yung camera. Okay. Let's start right now again for the second quarter action. Okay, it's white ball po. White ball, inbound po. J. Ramos, good luck, Cas. Okay, sabi ni J. Ramos, good luck daw, Cas. Okay, now number 6, power move. No good. Number 3, naka-rebound. Number 3, driving in. Kick pass to number 15. Number 15, binabantayan si number 16. To number 23, Tan. Number 3. Number 9 rather. Number 9 to Tan. 23, pops up, long 2, no good. Rebound battle. Won by number, it's intercepted, pero tumapak na po sa linya. Out of bounds. Out of bounds po tayo. Out of bounds. Maraming salamat sa man-operate na sa ating 4 loyal viewers po. This game also will be posted also after this sa aking YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po. Please support po sa aking YouTube channel, Arvin G Vlogs. The link will be published later. It's 2 points by number 27. Okay, 10-4 ang score po natin. 6 point lead muli po ang QR Towers. Si 15. Lumusot. Pops up. Bang! Cool cat. Napakalamig. Para walang Parang walang lang. Number 6. Pops up for 3. Nope. Ayaw niya. Number 12. Nope. It's swatted away. Kick pass now to number 15. 15 again. Shake and pick move. Lumusot. Pero nansi number 3. Kick in number 16. Pops up. 2 points again. 10-8. The score right is 10-8 po tayo. 10-8. 10-8 po tayo. Okay, number 6, si Velasco. 27. Aguinaldo, 27. Pops up for 3. No good. Tan for the rebound. And kick na intercepted almost. And almost. Rivera nakalusot. Rivera intercepted the number 6. And still ball with Cass. Nice one by Rivera. Masyadong mabilis. Up! White. ISEP technical. Okay, technical foul call on number 27. Number 27, call for the technical free throw also for number 16. Para kay Rivera, technical free throw po ito. Okay, chill lang po tayo. Chill lang. Okay, number 16. Technical free throw. Lahat po sa lahat beyond the arc muna po tayo. Technical free throw coming up. Pops up. Inside. 10-9. 2 minutes 12 remaining. First quarter action. Number 9. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Driving in. Si number 9. Number 9. Op. Stepping violation. Balik muli po sa puti ang bola. Ang bola pa yung nasa puti na naman. Ito naman siya si Velasco. 10-9. 2 minutes 10 remaining. 27, driving through. 27 sa ilalim. 2 points. Nice one. Nice one. Tan. Number 9. Number 15, pops up. No good. Number 24, foot back. Sayang. Highlights ano yun? Uy, sorry. Nataman. Okay, 23, Tan shooting for 2. First shot ni Tan. Okay, bati-bati mo na. Sabi ni J. Ramos, good luck daw, Cass. Acknowledge po yan. Good luck na nga daw, Cass. Second shot, jumpers ready. 12-10 point score po natin. Chance to trim the lead now into 9 points. Pops up. No good. 27 naka-rebound. Kick pass. Advance. Kick back. Triple na intercepted. Op. Teka lang, namatay ang scoreboard. Okay, official technical time at muli po tayo. Namatay pa ang scoreboard po natin. Brad, baka bluso. Ito. Oh, gamitin ito.
Diretso yun eh.
Oh, diretso ba yun? Diretso?
Diretso yun.
O, sige. Nagdadala ko na dito para kung sakaling yun, kakalanganin.
Handball pala yun. Sabi niya, handball pala yun. Ito nga, Paul, siya, hindi ko tinatawagan. Tinaligan ko na kanina eh.
Yan ang ano eh.
Ha?
Ano, ito. Palagyan mo.
Paano kung ano?
Okay, back to the ball game tie. The score is 1 minute 50 remaining. 12-10 pong score po natin. Balik po tayo sa laro po natin. And time for 3 points. No good. Number 1. Walang takot. Nasa land of the Giants. Pumasok pa rin. Number 6. Lost the ball almost. Kick pass kay number 27. Pops up. Ayaw muna nga. Driving in. Drop pass to 27. Balakas. And White. Game. Kick pass, 3 for 3 points. Bank shot, no good. Tan, naka-rebound. Tan, binabantayan. Tan, nagmamadali. Tan. Dako ni 27 ng bola. 27. Drop pass. And one play. Binuhat ang kalaban. Malupit. Antegra. Antegra, pangalan niya. Di kilala. Ito, isang, ano. Di rin. Kalimutan. Okay, bonus free throw coming up. No good. Nakuha. Number 12 naman. Number 12. Second pick move. Malakas. Time for the rebound. Baseball pass now. Intercepted by Velasco. Velasco, idol. Velasco driving in. Kapos. 15 driving. 15 pops up. No good. May nagbabantay. Number 12 to 27 again. 27 driving. Another 27. Malakas ang pasa. Balik muli po sa kasang bola. 16 seconds remaining. First quarter action. Okay, ito na. Si number 16, si Rivera. Rivera driving, shake and pick, moves to number 3. Rivera, stepping violation. Sa pula po tayo. Sa pula. 2 seconds remaining. Mateo, binato na lang. Wala na. Okay, that's it. First quarter action completed. Standby po tayo pa sa second quarter action. The score is 14-12. Lamang po ang QR Towers. Okay, this is our aviation friendly doubles of Flying League. We are now on the third season. Like always po tayo po sa aking channel, Martin Debriso Vlogs. Sa aking FB page po. And also, we're live always po sa the Newton International School in Barwa. This is powered by our main sponsors, Thread and Needles Tailoring or Uniforms, and also Team LBC Hari ng Padala, and also partnered by SBB Pilipinas for the officiating, and for the coverage po is for the PSBQ Pinoy Star Ballers Qatar Basketball League. And also you're watching right now first game between Cas and QR Towers and Mamia po, Los Hermanos at Extreme Ballers. Pumunta lang po kayo dito. Maraming salamat po. White ball 27 for the inbound. Wala si Darko. Okay. 27, driving. Number 6, Velasco. 27, nakasit isang 27. Pops up, no good. Okay, 15 inbounding kay coach. Number 7. Matayas, 15. Number 2, binabantayan. Number 23, oy! Good ball. Walang tawag. U1 per 3, wala. And kapos. Pero pinuhanan, malakas. Diluwa ang bola. Mateo, kay number 10. Number 50 rather. 52 points. Okay, 16-12. Lamang muli po ng 4 ang QR Towers. Shake and pick, check ball. And outside. Golden ball. Number 2 to U1, thinking 3. No, ayaw muna, 15 muna. To number 7, short stab, malakas. 27. Almost had it si number 2 pero knock away po. 8 minutes 39th mark already of second quarter action. Number 53, Antegra, malakas. Ayun, Alex, zup, muntik na. Okay, shooting for 2 po si number 23, si Zulueta. 29 rather, Zulueta. First shot, wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready, Zulueta. Pops up, and it's in. Nope, it's out. Nako ni Yuan na bola. Yuan, guarded. 23. Binababa ang bola. Kick pass kay number 15. 15. Driving in. Tap away. Denied. Now driving out QR Towers. And almost had it. Time for the blocking foul. Okay, 2 shots para kay Velasco. Binigay po ng referee. 2 shots now. Bigay po kay William Okay, Velasco, first throw. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Velasco, chance to extend the lead to 5 points. Yes, sir. Okay, it's 5 points already. 17-12. 17-12. U1. U1 driving against Antegra. Coach Owens. Matayas, number 15, pops up. Bang! Wow, sweet shot. Napaka-sweet. Suwabing-suwabe. (27) 14-second shot clock. 27, pass out. Velasco, 3 points. 3 points for Velasco. 8, 19, 20, 14 ang score po ngayon. Sir Owens to U1. U1, binabantayan ni Zulueta. Owens, driving muna. Nakuha ni Tan. Tan for 3. Note, long to lang. Kapos. And, okay, Velasco, intercepted by Tan. Tan, side move, floater shot. Pasok. 20-16 ng score po natin yun, no? Tan. Matt. Number 27, pops up. No good. Rebound ni Zulueta. No good pa rin. Okay. Bothered by Tan. Tan also the rebound. Malakas ang pasa. Nakuha ng bata. U1 to Tan. Malakas. One more time. Foul. Pushing foul. Pushing foul called on Tan. 6 minutes 30 second mark already remaining. And Mateo second pick. Mateo, side step move. Foul again. Back-to-back foul called on Tan. Okay, ingat po kayo. Kung konti po kayo, paalala lang. Konti po kayo. Mateo, first shot. Pops up. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Mateo, second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Super shot, kapos. And balik muli po sa kasambola at 21-16. Lamang na naman 5 ang QR Towers. Scott, ng gabi po si Scott and si James Dooms also na manonood din po. And U1, talpalpal, pero may tawag ang referee. Zulueta, sumabi si Zulueta. Okay, take ilan siya? 3? 2 shots. 2 shots awarded lang kay U1. First shot kay U1. Pops up. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready para kay Batang U1. Second free throw for U1. Pops up. Both basket made. Okay, the score is 21-18. Lamang na lang po ng 3 ang team QR Towers. Matt, running shot, malakas. Now to U1. U1, dinerecho na U1. 2 points U1. Finishes in. Okay, don't look, guys. 21-20. 1 point lead na lang po ang lamang po ng QR Towers. QR Towers now, lamang na po ng 1 point lead. 5 minutes, 42 remaining. Check ball. Again, Rocom number 15. Butter. Pops up. Malakas. One more time. 15 to Tan. Shake and fake. Pops up. Malakas pa rin. Nakuha ni Mateo from Zulueta. Zulueta driving in. Running shot. No good. One more time. Foul by Owens. Owens called for the foul. Mateo nga. Ngayon, from Zulueta. Ha? Pinasa mo eh. Mateo from Zulueta. Okay, palit po tayo yun. Sino pa papasok naman? Sino papalitan? Si Antegra, para kay number 27. Sa kabila naman po. Hindi ko nga.
Handball pala yung laro niya. Handball pala, mas physical pang handball. Basketball. Yun ay gunting mo na. Gunting mo na.
May hack yun eh.
Oo. Puro pala talaga siya.
Okay, 2 shots now kay Mateo, 27. Pops up. Tapos. Second throw, jumpers ready. Okay, bumalik na po yung user starters. Si number 9, si number 3, si number 8, at si number 16. Pinagpahinga muna si Tan, pati. Both baskets never made. Balik muli po tayo sa kasambola. Okay, U1. Niretain po si U1 ngayon. Okay, Rivera pops up inline. Yes, sirree. Okay, change favor po tayo ngayon for the first time. After 15 minutes of this game, lamang na po ang cast. Velasco, Mateo, stepping on the line. Okay, sabi po ni James Nooms, good luck po sa cast. Sabi naman ni Montesilio, anong quarter po, sir? Second quarter na po, sir. 5 minutes na po for the second quarter. And then 27, driving, foul, holding foul. Penalty situation, J. Ramos, Randall Music Kalanka, okay. Good luck din po, Cash, both of them. And also, anong quarter po? Sir Montesilio, ano po? 4 minutes remaining po, second quarter action. Pangandanda na po yung second game po natin. Pumunta po kayo dito. Matatapos na po yung second quarter. Second shot, jumpers ready, pasok! Okay. 22 all. Nakuha. Driving now, driving 27. Ayun, another 27. 2 points again. Okay, bawi. Bumawi ng kalamangan puli. Binawi Rivera. Binabantayan. Number 15. Number 9. Pops up. No good. Rebound din number 15. Pops up. Rebound. Battle won by QR Towers. And Mateo Velasco rather na walang bola sa kanyang paningin. U1 pops up and it's a foul committed. U1 showing his maturity already in the game, in the craft. Getting matured now, one little by little in the game, learning the game. And U1 first shot. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. 3 minutes 53 seconds remaining of the second quarter action. Chance to tie up the ball game. U1, second throw, pops up. Yes, sirree, nothing but net. 27 again. 27 to 27. 27 again. Kick pass. Foul. Mataya Sandert. Foul. Penalty situation. Cass. Mateo. Shooting for 2. Chance again to get back the lead. First shot. No good. Bayad, sorry. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. It's no good. Rebound battle won by number 16. Rivera zigzagging. Rivera, no good, no call. It's good. 27, kick pass to number 27. 27, cutting in, wrong. Passing lane. Nice try. Intercepted again. 24 all. Good ball. Driving in. Side step move. 2 points again. Velasco, 2 points. Now to Rivera. Rivera, trailing again muli po ang CAS. 3 minutes remaining. Number 16, Rivera, driving in. Hoy! And 15, no good. Driving in, kick pass, chest pass kay Mateo, number 77. 27. Wrap play. Walang pinasahan. Nice interception. Under counter interception again. Yuan driving. Yuan power move. Naipit. Pero 15. Yes, sirree. Nice passing. Last minute pass kay 15. Pumasok. 2 minutes 14 remaining. To number 27. Number 27 against Yuan. 27. Yuan and lost the ball. Golden ball. Okay, timeout na call by Team QR Towers. Okay, hanap buhay muna po tayo. Okay, you're watching right now the game between CAS and QR Towers. And come up next po is a game between Los Hermanos and Extreme Bowlers. And this is your third season po, tapos sa Flying League Aviation Friendly League. Back to you. Golden ball, Rivera for the inbound. Ayun na, okay, kay Matayas, number 15, Rivera, driving, kick, pass kay number 9, yes sirree. Okay, number 9, palit muna. Si Tan pumasok na muli. Number 12, si Mateo. Ayan, number 27, driving strong. No good. One more time. Driving strong again. No good still. Nice rebound by Tan. Nagmamadali. Tan, driving in. Tan, palpal. No good. Pangmasok kay Tan. Running shot ang binanatan ng bata. A minute and 12 remaining. 26-30. Change. A 4-point lead now being enjoyed by Team CAS. Velasco, 27. Velasco in. Pops up. No good. Ito, nag 3 points. Malakas. And back to CAS ang bola. Back to CAS. Pushing now. 48 seconds remaining. And Tan driving in. Lost the ball. One more time. Number 9. No good. Kick pass to Velasco. Velasco nagmamadali. Velasco. Yes, sirree. 2 points. Velasco, 2 points. 29, 30, 28 rather. 26 seconds remaining. Number 7, 13. Number 15 rather. Pumasok. Now chance to tie back the ball game again. Velasco driving in. Foul! Penalty situation po yan. 2 shots. Penalty situation. Team CAS. 2 shots para kay Velasco. 2 shots. First shot made. No good. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. 29-30. Isa lang po ang lamang ng CAS. 15 seconds remaining. CAS will take now the last shot. CAS. 7 seconds remaining. Pops up. No good. And no more. Tugog. Okay, after 2 quarters po, the score is 29-30. Laman po ang CAS ng isa. Calling teams of Los Hermanos and Extreme Bowlers, punta na po kayo rito para po makapag-warm up na. Ay po susunod. Ito po ang the third season po ng Aviation Friendly League, double sa Flying League. Live po tayo always po sa Newton International Lindoa, and also you're live always po sa ang FB page po, Martin Evaristo FB page or FB channel. Maraming salamat po and halftime po tayo. Judging the fact mo, medyo talaga malalim po ng bench yung kay Cass. Mas marami po tao po nila kumpara mo sa QR Towers. Pero tansya ko, nagpe-pacing po para pumalalaan po natin for the final quarter po talaga kung ano mangyari. Then also, still, ilan ba sila? 7 sa QR Towers po, sa Cass naman is 2, 3, siyam sila. Kaya medyo malalim po ng bench talaga. 8 po sila rather sa Cass naman. 7-8. Kaya shuffle ng tao po dito talaga. Yung kanilang si Tan po, kanilang main man nila ngayon. Talaga siya ng parang kakanasa kanila for sure. Siyempre kasama po niya po yung si number 9 at si number 15. Yan ang parang mga wings nila. And back to the ball game muli po tayo. Third quarter action na po tayo ngayon. Okay, Sir Danilo. Good evening po, sir. And it's already watching also. Si Spartan, mag-inbound po ngayon. Si Matthias Sander.
Cass.
Okay, Cass ball. Bola po ng Cass, Kata Aviation Services. Eto na, Cass. Number 8, Yuan. May tayo ng bola, Yuan, binababad ng sarili niya. And now to number 9, pops up. Yes, sirree! Yan ang mangyayari po. Si Tan maging parang main man nila, pero meron siya sa wings. Antegra. Malakas ang pasa. Zulueta. Nakuha din. Velasco. Ayun! Malakas! Foul! Okay. Matthias Sander shooting for 2. Pops up. Okay. Completed. 3-point play completed rather. Velasco. Zulueta. Velasco. Zuleta. Power move. Foul. Third, kakasimula pa lang pre. Warm up ka na. 29. Zulueta shooting for 2. Pops up. Kapos. No good. Second throw. Jumpers ready. 29-35. Pops up. Wala. Nice guard. And 2:23. Tan. Disho pass kay Yuan. Bouncer and double dribble. Double dribble po. Tinapa kay Yuan Mateo. Or rather, 26. 6 driving in. Nice sana. Zulueta. Wala pa rin. Zulueta. Wala pa rin. Power move. Balakas. Zulueta again. Zulueta at Antegra nakuha. Zulueta. And one play. Yung pala gusto nila. Kaya pala. And one play made. Yung pala gusto nila. Kaya ano. Okay, Zulueta completed the 2 points. Now coming po is the bonus free throw. 8 minutes 15 remaining. Pops up, no good. Antegra muli, naan nila. Antegra driving in. Pops up, malakas. 27 naman. 27 to a hoop shot. 2 points. 4 points pala ginawa nila, grabe. Yung pala gusto nila, 4-point play. Okay. Rivera, may tangan ng bola, 33-35. 33-35. Tan against 27. Tan. Rivera against Tegra. Rivera, Tan. Then pops up. Nawala ang bola. Still completed almost. And pops up. Palpal. Pero pumasok. 33-37. Lamang po ng 4 ang Team Cas. At 7 minutes 30 remaining. Velasco, power move. Malakas. One more time. Labas mo na raw, labas mo na raw. Malakas. Intercepted. Yuan sa ilalim. 2 points, Yuan. Nagmamadali sila. Again, 27. Being countered by Yuan. And now, 27 again. Antegra. Teka lang. Traveling violation. Tinawag kay Antegra. Walang preno. Okay, number 0. Papasok muna para kay number 27. Another fresh legs po coming now for Team QR Towers. Antrega nilabas muna para kay number 0. Okay, may runner sila ngayon. May fresh legs sila. May sariwang tao nito dumating. Number 9, pops up. Rivera. Wala. Number 9, pinasok muna kay Tan. Tan for 3. No good. Yuan in the land of the Giants. Wala. 0. Ooh! Malakas ang pasa. (33-39) a 6-point lead. Muli po ang kalamangan po ng Cas. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle 1 by 27. 0. Driving strong. Same ball. 6 minutes 6 remaining. Third quarter action. 0. Kick pass kay Velasco. To 0 again. 0. Uy. 0 driving strong. Number 0 and 27. No good. Yuan. Number 15, Rivera. Number 15. Nice D by Velasco. Go Cas, sabi ni Abigail Pablo. James Dooms, akala ko lalaro ka. Number 15. Bang! Number 9 rather. Magkamukha kasi. Number 9, 2 points. Yung kanilang wingman, pumapasok. Velasco, kick out pass kay number 27. Number 0, bound, binabantayan. Zulueta, driving strong to 27 again. Velasco, 27. Kick pass for 3. Malakas. Ayun, meron pala doon. Wala pa rin. Number 0. Down. Foul down. Substitution. Okay, timeout called by Team QR Towers. QR Towers called for the timeout. The score is 33-41. An 8-point lead po ang kalamangan na po ng Team CAS. Wala si Ian Samson Gabi is watching also. Shoutout po sa inyo. Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball. 4 minutes 39 seconds remain. Laman po ng 8 ang Team CAS. Down. Bat. Entro. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, Yuan, labas muna para kay number 3. Quality minutes being given by Yuan sa third quarter action. 0, power move. Number 26 sa ilalim, malakas. One more time. Hindi pumasok, sayang. Okay, back to the... Okay, 27, shooting for 2. First shot. 27, 2 shots. Per shot. Yes, sir. Gumamit ng glass. Second throw, jumpers ready. Okay, substitution din muna. Okay, huwag muna raw. Second free throw, jumpers ready para kay number 27. No good. Rima Barra won by. Up! White ball. Teka lang. Meeting muna. Meeting muna. Okay. Same ball. Okay, after the meeting po, it's same ball. Yuwang, balik muna puli po. Para kay Tan. Hinaanda na siyang para sa 14th final quarter for sure. 27, drag them strong, 2 points. 36-41, a 5-point lead. Rivera for 3, yes sirree. Rivera, 3 points. Teka lang po, traveling violation yan, sabi ng referee. Balik muli po sa Kasambola. 3 minutes 57 remaining, 36-44. Intercepted. Velasco, nagmabalat. Number 0, intercepted naman ni Yuan ang bola. Yuan, nagmamadali. And now, number 3. Pops up, number 16. No good. Rebound, di number 23. Pinasa kay 0. Pero nung wala yung palm, di nasalo. Problema ni Bang. Hello? Hello, boss. Ito. Nasa galan, nasa labas ako, nasa liga. Nanonood. Sa labas, sa may barwa. Oh. Ano yun, sir? Paano nawala? Okay. Pusang. Paano nalaman na ginamit to? Sige. I-report mo muna sa call center. Hindi, itanong mo paano mo kumuha ng card. Sa Dobank yan? Usually sa industrial area yun, yung Dobank sa may Salwa Road. Yun ang nila. Pero dapat i-report mo muna dahil magpapaprint ka ng card Unless kung meron ng printing machine ng ang Dobank card printing machine. Hindi, kako, baka may card printing machine. Yung ano, yung Dobang, kung wala, baka ano siya, baka may tawag dyan, i-report mo siya, i-report mo yan sa Dobang, then at the same time, idadire ka nila sa kanila, sa muko ni bagong card mo. Ayun. Oh. Alam ko sa Salvo Road yun eh, Salvo Road yun eh. Salvo Road. Yung ID mo, kailangan ng police report yan, pre. Police report. O yun nga, pero yun na pala eh. Yun na pala. Ay, antay mo yun, ano, i-mail yan usually. I-mail yan, or merong sasabihin siya kung sa mo kukunin. Dadire ka nila. Oo. Okay. Paano na? Pero pwede namang i-over the counter yan, basta alam mo yung Qatar ID number mo eh. Kung sumibidro rin yan, i-over the counter mo. I-over the counter mo. Pero problema, baka hiling nila yata yung Qatar ID mo kung dala-dala mo. Sige. Ay, teka, Danny Boy. Wala pa rin? Malabo pa rin? Malabo pa rin? Sige, okay. Thank you. Okay, bola ng cash.
Nakabuk ko sa isa.
Oh, ito yun. Yung bench lang, iyon dito, pwede lang.
Pwede ko yung bench, kapabili na sila.
Okay, so, tayo lang. Okay, 15, inbounding. Ikaw ng konting post. 15, op! Uy! Buti may pum. Salamat sa pum. Pops up. Rebound battle won by Rivera. Wrap around pass. Foul. A minute 27 remaining, 40-44. Laman pa rin po ang Cavs. Nice pass. Almost had the ball. Yuan, binabantayan. Yuan driving strong. No good. One more time. Same ball, kick ball. 15, pops up. Yes, sirree. Number 9, rather. Magkumukha kasi. Velasco, hounded by Yuan. Number 27, 40-46. Intercepted by number 15. 15. Rivera, 2 points. 0 driving against Yuan. 0 driving, going strong. Wala. Almost had the ball. Nakuha. Good ball. Wala tawag. Running shot. Number 0. Driving strong. Pops up. 2 points. Ginamitan ng katawan. 42-48. Lamang pa rin po ng 6 ang Cavs. Number 9, labas muna. Number 9. 15 again. Number 2, pops up. Kapos. And that's it. Third quarter action. Tapos na po. The score is 42-48. And coming up next po is Los Hermanos. At siyempre, ang Extreme Bowlers. Yan, Chu Deluxe is present already also. Chu Deluxe and si Bling, mami, maglalaro pa yan, both teams. Sa kabila naman yan, sila Ian, yung mga kapindil nila. Final 10 minutes is coming up for this ball game. Sir Jervis Armado, laman po ang cast ng 6, 42-48. Coming from third quarter po yan. Final quarter na po, final 10 minutes is up. Coming up, ito na po si number 16, si Rivera, si Yuan, si number 9, at si number 3. Sama na po natin si number 15. Yan po yung kumana po kanina, yung dalawang yan. Sa wings po yan. Ito na po sa kabila, 27-0, si Velasco at si Mateo. Ay, si 12 rather, 12. 0. Ayan na. 27 for 3. No good. Intercepted. Kapos. One more time. Palpal. Malamya. Okay. Velasco. Velasco munang pick. 27. Tatum. Velasco intercepted. Foul! $27. 0. 27 again. Tap from behind. Good ball. Yuan. Foul. Take 2 si Yuan. Last si Blini? Si Blini wala? Si Blini, kakampi nyo? Wala pa. Ha? Wala pa? Okay. Yuan, kapos ang konti. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Okay, sabi ito, may sinasabi siya si Armando eh. Basahin nga natin. Sabi ito si Dilicha Botin, Sir, pakipasok si Arisila. Wala po siya dito, Sir. Sir, si Arisila po, si Owens po. Papasok na po. Pero si Sila yata, nasa General Aviation po siya, Sir. Number 0, 27. Yeah, kapos. Hindi pumasok. Sayang. Okay, 23. Papasok na para kay Yuan. Sir, nandyan. Okay, number 27. Pops up. No good. 42-48. 9 minutes remaining. 6 points po kalamangan. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Pops up. No good pa rin. Rebound. Di number 2. Number 3. Ayun na. Number 15. Foul. Velasco called for a foul. Number 15, shooting for 2. First shot. Pops up. Wala. Second throw. Pops up. Wala pareho. Number 0. Number 0. Going strong. Traveling violation called by the referee. Traveling violation called by the referee. Number 3, 16, Rivera. Now good. Rebound won by QR Towers. Velasco, binababa na yung bola. Velasco, number 0, power move. Foul! Number 0, shooting for 2. Number 3, labas muna para kay number 2. Nagpasok na ng pambangga si Sir si Coach Rocomora sa CAS. 0 first shot, no good. Second throw, jumper straight just to trim the lead to 5 points. Still manageable para sa sa QR Towers kung mahabol sila. Wala pareho. Rebound di number 23. That's si Tan may rebound po. Tan for the rebound. Yan si Aresila. Okay. And now number 9 nilabas lang. Rebound battle won by 27. Binababa na yung bola. 27 driving strong. Offensive foul called. Illegal screen tumawag. Tatlo na raw siya, sabi nila. Okay, number 0, 3 personal fouls already. Again, si Tan may tangan ng bola. Pick number 15, number 16. Bang! 3 points. Yan ang kinakalaan nila ng CAS. Nandiyan CAS yung mga play. Velasco. 2 points Velasco. 44-51. 7-point lead po kalamangan ng Team CAS. Tan being hounded, being guarded by 27. Buwan ng pick. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound di 27. Velasco. Cake pass kay 27. Walakas. Good ball. And it's out of bounds. Tapos na. Pumutok na. Nakarinig na ako ng putok. Okay. Timeout called by CAS. Para to take a breather for sure. CAS taking a breather. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. Si 15 for the inbound. Ayan kung anong klaseng play dinesign po ni Coach Rocomora para sa takbong ito. Okay, 23 driving in. Okay, nagpamapasahan. 15 pops up. Yes, sirree! Sweet shot by number 15. 27. Tops. Zulueta, 2 points. 46-53. Pito muli. Tan. Nakuha, intercepted. Again, 3-on-2 situation. Number 0. 2 points again. Back-to-back field goals already by Team QR Towers. Number 2. Driving in. Magpapasahan niya. O, binababa nila muna. Okay, nandiyan si Zulueta on the high ground. Lost the ball po siya. Driving in, Zulueta. 2 points again. Back to back. 50-53. 3 points na po kalamangan nila. Foul. 5 minutes 34 seconds remaining. The score is 50-53. 50-53 po. And Tan for the inbound. Nice shoes, ha? Okay, Tan. Tan. Number 15 again. Nice survey. Okay. Nice angle. Nice shot. Pamatay sunog. Si number 15. Tops. C. Number 0. Okay, number 0, 2 shots awarded. First shot. Number 0. Pops up. It's made. Basket good. Chance now to make the game again to 3-point ball game again. Okay, 3-point ball game. Kobe pala kay kay Sander. Okay, both basket made. Kobe pala yun. Kobe Exodus. O Kobe AD. Okay, ito na. Shake and fake. Now Tan, hounded by Velasco. Aris, hanggang na mabasan. Aris, si number 9. Number 9, 15 na naman. Yung pamatay sunog nila. Kumukuha. Number 15! No good. Nakuha ni Zuleta ang bola. Zulueta. Number 0. Velasco, binababa ang bola. Velasco, driving it strong. Malakas. Good ball, pero out of bounds. Sayang. Okay, number 3, medyo nakahinga ng konti na ngayon. Kaya 40 minutes kay Aris. 40 minutes binigay ni Aris sa larong ito. Number 16, Rivera, inbounding. Number 3. Number 15. 16. Hop! Foul. Zuleta called for the foul. Coming up next po is Extreme Bowlers and before against Los Hermanos. Tan. Hoy! Traveling violation, sabi ng referee. Traveling violation called by the referee. Velasco. 27 for 3. No good. Rebound. Malakas. Foul. High jump. Okay, 2 shots kay C. Mateo. Si Mateo, ano ito eh? Per shot. No good. Okay, chance to trim down the game into 2 points. Second shot. No good still. Zulueta! Offensive foul na naman binigay ni number 0 sa kanila. Binangga ng todo. Both shots break. Lamang pa rin po ng 3 ang Cas. 4 minutes 6 remaining. Number 9. Wala, labas. Op, teka lang po. 15 called for a foul. 52-55. Penalty situation. 2 shots para kay Zulueta. Zulueta, 2 shots given. Two shots given kay Zulueta. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Again, both baskets never made. 15. Rivera. 2 points given, Rivera. Sa free throw. 27, Tops shooting for 2. Top shooting for 2. First shot. No good. Okay, one more time. Just to trim the lead into 4 points. Second throw. Wala pa rin. Nakuha. Second chance points. 27. Power move. Malakas. 0. Wala pa. One more time. 0. 2.0. Tatlo muli. Tatlo. Number 9. Driving. Number 16 to number 9. Number 9. Hinap si number 15. Si Tan. In the field. Number 3. Tan. Driving it strong. And 2 points. Zulueta, no good. Up. Same ball. 16 seconds shot clock. 16 seconds to shoot. 0. Zulueta. One more time. Zulueta. Wala pa. Foul called. The score is 54-59. Timeout called by QR Towers. Timeout naman ng QR Towers. Sa free throw nagkatalo. Mga kababayan ko, kung nasishoot nila ang free throw, malamang nakakahabol sila ng konti ang QR Towers. Pero pati free throw, di na nasishoot kasi. Kaya medyo nasa 5 lang po ang trail net sila ngayon. Plus penalty situation na rin po both teams. These are now the odds now, big stack now against, of course, for QR Towers. Okay, number 16, Rivera, first shot. Pasok. Rivera, number 16, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Rivera, jumpers ready po tayo. And pops up. Basket both made. Okay. Velasco, 2 points again. 2 minutes 24 remaining. U1, pounded, foul! Velasco called for the foul. Penalty situation po yan. I think they're committing the foul to stop the clock. 2 shots para kay U1. First shot. No good. Sabi rito ni James, alaga mga Brad sa score. Yan nga rin sabi. Sabi ni James, alaga daw sa score. Wala, masakas yan. Second throw ni Yuan. Pops up. Wala pareho. Velasco, naka-rebound. Number 27. Stepping on the line. Tough break. $16, 2 minutes remaining. Tan. Last 2 minutes. Tan, binapat ni Velasco. Tan. 10 seconds to shoot. Tan, power move. 2 points, Tan. Mateo. Velasco is U1. 27 to 27 again. 27, directing traffic. Wala pa rin. Earn the line. $53,663. Lamang pa ng 7 muli. A minute and 35 remaining. Okay, number 3, nilabas muna. Sir Owen, pumasok muli. First shot, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Pops up, no good. And rebound ni number 9, pero may foul. Okay, number 9, balik sa linya. Number 9 shooting for 2. Then wait ka pa siya. Wala si Studlax lang nandun. Wala si Blini. Okay, number 0, labas na. Graduate na. Number 9, first shot, wala. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Wala pareho. This is a very, very long night. Sayang. Okay, 23 again. Tan shooting for 2. A minute and 11 remaining. Chance to extend the lead further. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Wala. Kawala. 8 po kalamangan. Antegra. Sulueta. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound ni Tan. Owens. U1. U1 nakalusot. Foul. Chiller ba ito? Or chilled water? First shot. No good. 51 seconds remaining. After this, di na po magkakat broadcast. Diretso ka tayo sa interview. Next shot. No good. 27 naka-rebound. Zulueta. Still completed. Dalaw sila. 40 seconds remaining. Safety basket na lang to. Safety basket, safety basket. Silueta. For 3. Tapos. 30 seconds remaining. Velasco for 3. No good. Okay, that's it, I believe so. Foul! 18 seconds remaining. Dapat safety basket na yan. Mati-mati. Attrition nila. Sir Owen shooting for 2. First shot. Second throw, jumpers ready. No good. Iba kasi yung ano eh. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Congratulations. Still, wala pa rin talo. Team CAS. Okay, Team CAS. Team CAS. Tapos. Yuhu! Family picture. Family picture po, family picture. Family picture po. Okay, still wala pa rin talo, Team CAS. Take kami sa win number 5, win number 4. Ha? Okay, game. Okay, game. Ito po tayo, Team CAS. Compress po ng konti, kuya. Ayan, thank you po. Maraming salamat. Okay, Team CAS. Okay, sino po ang best POG po? POG. Sino POG po? Sino POG? Okay. Okay, Sir Rivera pala ang POG. Okay. Dito. Sa likod, parang lumakas sa loob dito. Samahan ka nila, huwag kang mag-alala. Sisikat ka sa akin ngayon, kapatid. Sisikat ka ngayon sa akin, pare. O, pare, congratulations, number 16, sir. I think so, yung nag-bail out sa rito yung mga 3 points mo. Masasabi ba natin yun? Yung mga 3 points mo na pumasok?
Nagkataon lang na pumasok, sir. Kaya...
Nagkataon o ginagawa mo yan? Pahambol ka pa. Okay, ano sir? Nagkataon o ginagawa niya?
Swerte lang, sir.
Oh, sige. Tell me about your team po, sir. Sa Team CAS po, sige.
Sa depensa namin, sir.
Oo nga, yung una kasi talaga medyo zigzag po eh. Then huli, kumalago na po eh.
Umipit yung depensa namin sa last quarter.
Okay, good, Sir Rivera. Then, sige, sir. Dito, palit sir kayo. Okay, shoutout. 1 minute, sir. Shoutout po.
Shoutout sa pamilya ko sa Pinas.
Pamilya mo sa Pinas. Okay, good. Sino? Uy, 1 minute to. Ano ba? Magutin pa rin. 1 minute to. Ano?
Sa mga tropang kasyan.
Shoutout sa tropang Kasyan. At may 30 seconds ka pa.
At sa mga aviation team.
Okay, good. Yan po. Again, po, still, wala pa rin pong talo. Team CAS. Pinga win number?
5.
Win number 5. Number 5. High five, number 5. Maraming salamat po. And see you po again po. Next time po tayo between Los Hermanos and Extreme.